Hi everyone, Shane from Kunda First National Real Estate. Welcome to 15 King Parrot Boulevard in Droon. This is a truly amazing property. This is the ex-display Beechwood home. Got all the bells and whistles, just like all the displays. We've got double glazed windows, we've got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 living. Absolutely magnificent inside. Sits on the lovely Ferntree Ridge estate. We're only a short distance to the Droon CBD, so why don't you give me a call for your own private appointment on 0419 518 321. See you soon.